Hi, welcome to Excel Youth Academy and School of Medical Coding and Billing. We are one of the top rated academy in training professionals and students in various streams. We are considered to be one of the best in training and placement industry with an excellent track record of training and placing more than 30,000 people in various streams such as medical billing, medical coding, technology support, IT industry, digital marketing, and so on. If you're still finding it hard in your life to get yourself placed in an organization, if you're still finding it difficult to get yourself upskilled and placed in a right company, if you're still finding it hard to get settled with a decent package in your career, dial the number below, reach out to our experts, get your free counseling done on your placements. We are happy to see you flying in heights in your career along with UI Academy. Happy learning. Good luck.